A plus B is equal to 7, C minus D is equal to 1, A plus C is equal to 10, and B plus D is equal to 11. Alright, you're going to solve for A, B, C, and D respectively. Alright, so this question looks kind of complex because of the way it's written. Alright, but then I'll show you guys a very easy step of doing this without wasting loads of time. Let's dive in. All right, so this is A plus B is 7, C minus D is 1, A plus C is 10, B plus D is 7. All right, I've just rewritten this to make it look easy for me so that I don't think it's complex and I'm not scared of the equation when approaching it. Okay, let's solve this using the elimination method. Now the first step is to say let's subtract the first equation from the third equation. Now the first equation says A plus C is equal to 10, and then the first equation says A plus B is equal to 7. All right, A is common, so we can eliminate A from both of them. If we say this equation minus this equation, we have A minus A to be 0, C minus B as C minus B, and we have 10 minus 7 to be 3. Okay, now I've gotten this. Now I want to get a similar equation, okay, having C and B. So I'll go ahead and say equation 2 plus equation 4. If I say equation 2 plus equation 4, I have D minus D, or minus D plus D, which is the same as D minus D, to be 0, C plus B to be equal to 1 plus 7, which is 8. Alright, so I have C minus B as 3 and C plus B as 8. I can go ahead and say let me eliminate either C or B here. If I eliminate B by adding this, okay, eliminating B, we would have C plus C as 2C, minus B plus B is as 0, and 8 plus 3 as 11. So 2C is equal to 11, meaning that C is equal to 11 over 2. Okay, now C being equal to 11 over 2, I can go ahead and say, let me substitute C as 11 over 2 in any equation of my choice. I might pick equation 1, I might pick equation 2, I might pick equation 3, I might pick equation 4, 5, or 6, dependent. But for simplicity's sake, I'll put C as 11 over 2 in this equation. Alright, so putting C as 11 over 2 in that equation, we have that this becomes 11 over 2 plus b is equal to 8. Okay, so 11 over 2 plus b is equal to 8. So the next step here is to multiply each term here by 2. So cancel this 2 in the denominator. 2 times 11 over 2 is 11, 2 times b is 2b, and 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, so I have 11 plus 2b to be equal to 16. Now, rearranging this, I have 16 minus 11 to be equal to 2b. Okay, 16 minus 11 is 5. Hence, I can say that 2b here is equal to 5. Alright, so I can say that 2b here is equal to 5. If I divide both sides by b, I have that b is equal to 5 over 2. Okay, so our b is equal to 5 over 2 and c is equal to 11 over 2. Now I'll go ahead and say, since I have b as 5 over 2, why don't I go back and substitute b in any of this equation having a, so I can get a from it. So if I put b as 5 over 2 in this equation here, I have a plus 5 over 2 to be equal to 7. Alright, so multiplying each term here by 2, okay, 2a plus 5 is equal to 14. Moving on from here, I can say 2a is equal to 9, hence a is equal to 9 over 2, okay. Furthermore, I can go ahead and say, since I have b as 5 over 2 again, let me go back to my equation and see if I can find d with b, okay. So I'll go to this equation. As you can see here, okay, there's an equation joining b and d, and b plus d is 7, okay. So I can say b is 5 over 2, okay, so 5 over 2 plus d is equal to 7, alright. So knowing that now, I can retrace my step here. So I say 5 over 2 plus d is equal to 7. Multiply each term by 2 as we've been doing before. We have 5 plus 2d is equal to 14. Okay. Now, 2d here will be equal to 14 minus 5, which is equal to 9. Finally, our d is equal to 9 over 2. Okay. Now, our a is equal to, our a here is equal to 9 over 2. Our b is equal to 5 over 2, our c is 11 over 2, and our d is 9 over 2. I guarantee if you put any of these in this equation, you will get these answers as your results at the end of the day.
What's going on, guys? It's watching here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.